ahead by month, and we're going to see and experience how our personal issues and personal energies are set. And for anyone who does astrology, oftentimes we'll get that information from our chart, but you'll be able to image it and work with it as active energy per month. And then we'll also look at the collective waves. You'll see where maybe something's going to happen globally and how it affects your personal timeline. And through working on it, we can actually anchor and clear our timelines, set them where we would like them, so that on your path, you're already working the energies before they physically manifest. And so your life is smoother. And also you're more grounded. You're able to hold your container of energy, and that helps everyone else that you come in contact with. So